This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can share a folder in Google Drive. You can not only share documents in Google Drive, but you can also share the contents of entire folders. And this is how you do that. Let's say I want to share this folder here that says document, and it's starred for some reason, so I'm just going to uncheck that. So if you want to share this folder called Documents with someone else, you can either right click on the folder and then click Share, or if you are within the folder, click the down arrow up here where it says the name of the folder and then select Share. Then you want to select Share again. Here you will see this box with your options for sharing the folder. So you can either give general access, so if it says restricted, that means it can only be shared with specific people. And then in the free version of Google Drive, it'll say anyone with the link. If you have a corporate or educational account, it might have share with everyone in your domain. So for instance, if you work for Watercup University, it might say share with watercupuniversity.com or something like that. I'm going to share this with my other Google account. So in this box, type your email address. And the cool thing about sharing a folder is that whatever privilege you give the person or people with whom you're sharing the folder applies to all of the documents in that folder. So here I can make every document in that folder editor, commenter, or viewer. So I'm going to make everything in there a viewer. Now let's say that there are certain documents in this folder that you want that person to be able to edit. Since the entire folder is set to view, you will have to go back into your share settings and then change the privileges for that specific file. So here I'm going to change this file to editor status. And now this document is editable by the other person, but these documents remain view only. So this video shows you how to share folders in Google Drive. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more helpful videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.